everyone, welcome to my video. So in this video, I will be putting on a Aza Beauty lace wig using a Aza Stand Clear lace glue, and I will be removing the wig with a Aza Stand Clear lace glue remover. So with the lace glue, the more layers you apply, the more permanent and longer the hold will be for the wig. Make sure before your first application of glue, the skin is cleaned from all oils and particles. You can wipe a little alcohol and clean the skin off. After every application of glue, make sure you give the glue at least 30 seconds to allow the glue to turn clear, even before you put the wig on. So what I really like about this glue is that not a lot of glue is needed during each application. The tube makes it really easy to apply and to spread the glue. It's also waterproof, and the hold on this glue is very, very good. So if you can see, I have my wig on. I got my baby hairs out, ready to be cut. I'm getting my foam on. I'm getting my silk edge wrap, also from Aza Beauty, and I'm going to sit under the dryer. Okay, you guys, so this is me 2 weeks later. I've had the wig on for 2 weeks already. So I will be using the Aza Stand Clear Glue Remover to remove my wig. As you can see, it's really stuck on there. It's held up really well, of course. Okay, to use this remover, you just spray a little bit directly where the glue was applied. And you don't need to spray a lot. So as you spray, you just rub it in around the hairline where the glue is. Right. And this remover can be used for any lace glue, by the way. And it's 100% natural, no alcohols, no chemicals. And by the way, you guys, this Aza Beauty rose gold wig, I have not washed it. I haven't flat ironed it. I took it straight out the package and put it on. I know that's terrible of me, but it held up so nicely through the rain, through bad weather. Stuck it through with me. Okay, so as you guys see, I'm just spraying and rubbing it in. Just rubbing the product around. So once you're done rubbing the product and spreading it all in, you should just be able to pull the wig right off. Mind you, no hair was pulled. I still have all my edges intact. None of your hair will come out. So you barely even feel the wig pulling off. What I love the most about this glue and the remover, the glue just rolls right off the lace. It's so easy to remove the glue. It's so easy to clean also. So if you guys need any products, check out my website, follow my Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channels, and see you guys next time. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.